Hey there, welcome to Program Guru.org, and this is your very first step in our Java course. Today we're going to write your very first Java program, the classic Hello World. Don't worry if you're completely new, I'll walk you through it like we're sitting together, step by step. So first, open any text editor. It can be Notepad, VS Code, or even IntelliJ IDEA if you're using an IDE. Now create a new file and name it helloworld.java. That's important. Java is very picky. The file name must match the class name. So if your class is called Hello World, the file must be named helloworld.java, capital letters and all. Okay, now type the following. Let's break this down. Public class Hello World defines a class called Hello World. In Java, everything lives inside a class. Next, we have the main method. This is where every Java program starts running. Public means this method is accessible from outside the class. Static means this method belongs to the class itself and not to an object. Void means it doesn't return anything. And main string array args is the standard method signature. The args can take command line arguments, but we won't worry about that just yet. Inside the main method, we write System.out.println hello world, ending with semicolon. This line prints hello world to your terminal and moves the cursor to a new line. Now let's compile this. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the folder where hello world.java is saved. Type javac hello world.java. This tells Java's compiler to check your code for errors, and if everything looks good, convert it into bytecode, a special kind of code Java understands. If it works, it will create a new file, helloworld.class. That's your compiled Java program. Now to run it, just type Java hello world. Notice no file extension here, just hello world. And boom, you should see hello world printed to console output. That's it, you just wrote, compiled, and ran your first Java program. So congratulations, you've officially started your Java journey. See you in the next class. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Program Guru, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.